Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You've joined your Zoom meeting. Locate the microphone and camera icons on the meeting toolbar immediately. On desktop, they sit bottom left. On mobile, they appear at screen corners or under meeting controls. If icons are grayed out, make sure Zoom has permission to use camera and microphone in your device settings. Grant access and return. Once done, you'll be ready to mute or stop video instantly. This step prevents delays and ensures you can control your presence from the start. You should now mute audio by clicking the microphone icon or pressing the shortcut for your system. Muting prevents any ambient sound from broadcasting. For video, click the camera icon or use the video shortcut to stop sending your camera feed. Zoom then displays your name or profile image. If you need temporary silence, use push-to-talk where available. If you want privacy, select Stop Video and verify your background or virtual camera is off. These actions give direct control over what others hear and see. Finish by confirming the microphone shows a slash and the camera icon indicates video is stopped, because visual feedback prevents accidental sharing. If the host has disabled your ability to unmute or stop video, request permission or have the host adjust settings in participants' controls. If icons are missing or won't toggle, restart Zoom and check device privacy settings for camera and microphone access. Reinstall only if necessary. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle system permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.